Hey guys, I'm Jeffrey, physiotherapist, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This video will be a 5-minute desk routine to get you moving while sitting. I know most of us are either busy or just lazy, so I will not take longer than 5 minutes of your time. You can follow along as I go through the movements in real time. And quick disclaimer, perform at your own risk of course, and feel free to modify movements as needed. You don't have to go full range if certain positions or movements are more painful. Let's move and improve. Let's start with the neck stretch. 5 times each side and 5-second holds. Grab onto the side of the chair and try to sniff your opposite armpit. You can add more of a stretch with a slight pull using your hands. Next is a low back rotation stretch, 5 times each side and 5-second holds. Next is a variation of the seated cat-cow, 10 times, slow and controlled. Place hand behind your head, round your spine and curl forward while bringing your elbows in to touch your knees, and then extend back up while bringing your elbows out. Let's finish with the seated lat stretch. 10 times, 5-second holds. Place elbows on desk and sink down and back. Hope you guys enjoyed doing the routine with me. Give this video a thumbs up, share it, and save it so you can come back to it whenever. Thanks for watching.